Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Saurav's classes. Here in today's class, we are going to focus on types of sentences. Now, as we all can see, we are focusing on positive sentences, we are focusing on negative sentences, we are focusing on question sentences, and then we are going to talk about the examples one by one. So, when we are talking about positive sentences, we are basically talking about something really positive. Like, we are not going to focus on any kind of negative words over here, like no, not, all these kind of words are not there. Okay, so let's go through the examples. When you arrive, I will be sitting in the park. So it's like a normal sentence, not nothing to worry about. Like it's totally positive in every sense. Okay, coming to the second sentence, I will be waiting for you. Okay, so I will be waiting for you. It's just like that normal sentence. Then it will be raining at this time tomorrow. So tomorrow at this time it will be raining. Next, he will be visiting his friends this time next week. She will be watching TV. Okay, so it's like this. So all kinds of positive sentences, nothing negative will be happening over here because we can't see any kind of negative words. Let's come to the negative sentences now. When you arrive, I will not be sitting in the park. So hopefully you all got to understand which is the negative word. Not is the negative word over here. Let's move over to the second sentence. I will not be waiting for you. So again, will not be waiting. So I won't be waiting. It's like that. Next, it will not be raining at this time tomorrow. So it will not be raining. Next, he will not be visiting his friends this time next week. So he will not. So again, not is there. She will not be watching TV. So again, will not. Okay, will not. So yes, not, no, all these words are negative. Coming to question sentences means the sentences which end with a question mark, of course. So, will you be sitting in the park when I arrive? That's a question. Will you be waiting for me? Will it be raining at this time tomorrow? Will he be visiting his friends this time next week? Will she be watching TV? So it's basically something that you are questioning and you want an answer in return. So that is what a question sentence is all about. Now let's focus on over here, we are going to focus on some other types of sentences. Let's focus on type 0. Just like that, we have named these type of sentences as type 0. So over here, we use these kind of sentences with if clause. If we want to talk about things that are always true or that normally happen. So yes, if something happens, like if the food is out of date, then the result is I don't eat it. Okay. If I have drunk, I don't drive. If you're talking, then I can't concentrate. So it's like that. Okay. Like typically what can happen or normally happen. Next is type 1 type of sentence, which is used to talk about probable event happening in the future. Probable event. Okay. So, like if something happens, like if you study, you will pass the examination. If he doesn't call you, tell me immediately. If you have come to class, the exam is going to be easy. If we win, we'll be celebrating soon. Okay, that is how type 1 goes on. So here we are coming across present simple, continuous, and perfect type of sentences. Next, we have another type of sentences which talks about, which shows to talk about present or future hypothetical or unreal situations. Like, if I won the lottery, I would buy a yacht. If you weren't talking, I could concentrate. If I were you, I might wait before taking a decision. Okay. So if I were you, I would have waited before taking a decision. It's like that. So, yes, these are some of the examples of some sentences. Next, Next, we are going to talk about the past hypothetical or unreal situations. Let's focus on this one. It shows certain sentences which has past perfect type of setting. So yes, if something had happened, like if you had come to class, you would have passed the exam. Okay. If he hadn't been wearing a helmet, he could have died. So if kind of sentences which showcases past perfect. Next, we are going to focus on certain sentences which talks about a past hypothetical or unreal situation with a present result. Like, if I had won the lottery, now I would be rich. Okay. If I hadn't been wearing a helmet, I might be dead now. So it's talking about some sort of unreal situation, like this might have happened or this might not have happened also. Like talking about the present result with an unreal situation. Next, we are going to talk about some sentences which talks about a present hypothetical or unreal situation with a past result. Like, if I spoke German more fluently, I might not have had such problems. Means I might not have had. Means we are talking about the past result, which might have been changed. Okay. Second, like if I wasn't a woman, they would have given me the job. Means if I wouldn't have been a woman, I would have been offered this job. So maybe something this would have happened if I wouldn't have been a woman at that point of time. So yes, that is how these sentences work. Okay, so we are going to leave it till here today in this video. If you want to practice like this, if you want to have sessions like this, and you can join our classes. For all the details, go to the description box and check out. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the next videos.